Hey everybody, just wanted to welcome you to Affiliate Marketing 101, the beginner's guide to affiliate marketing. I'm going to be walking through everything it needs to do to get started to take advantage of the affiliate marketing business, and people are making tens of thousands of dollars a month doing this. Welcome. This is 100% free training that is going to show you how to get started making money online with affiliate marketing. Don't worry, there's no sales pitch in the video. You can just sit back and relax and enjoy and just watch the video all the way to the end. In this short video, I'm going to answer all the questions about affiliate marketing and show you how to get started on a profitable side hustle in your spare time. So if you're looking to have more money, more freedom, or more time to enjoy a better version of the life that you've had in your mind, then these are the specifics of what you're going to need to know. Just to introduce myself a little bit, my name's Chris. I'm a marketer and a trainer. I currently have several businesses, including an affiliate marketing business myself. In the past, I've owned real estate brokerages. I've actually owned a mortgage company, and multiple construction businesses. Most of what I focus on is automation of systems inside businesses, and I will focus on free traffic sources. Affiliate marketing is rooted basically in direct response marketing, and that's actually originally where I got my start many years ago. It's an action-based marketing where basically you go to a company, you're gonna bring the transaction obviously through affiliates. You're the third-party independent contractor, and they pay you a commission based on the sale that was referred. Obviously, it can be used in multiple different businesses, but we're going to talk mostly today about digital marketing. Affiliate marketing alternative forms, like I said before, a lot of people, affiliate marketing is very similar to a referral program. Okay, in a referral program, you give a referral. Another way it can be talked about is people talk about it as contract commissioned marketer, or referral partnership agreement is another one. But basically, it's a win-win-win situation, because typically you're marketing something that somebody wants, so you're not really selling, you're just making yourself available through search engine optimization or through content that you're creating. They click through your link because they like what they hear and they want to buy it, and the company obviously doesn't have to have a sales force, so they pay you a commission because you brought the sale and generated the sale for them. So they're thankful for that because it reduces their marketing costs. What affiliate marketing is not, okay? It's definitely not spamming links everywhere, or content hijacking. We see this a lot, and it's also not direct linking, and it's definitely not multi-level marketing. So who is affiliate marketing for? Okay, you might be a perfect candidate, or you likely are a perfect candidate if you're busy, got a full-time job, maybe you're a full-time parent, you don't have a lot of time, you've got other obligations. This is definitely a good fit. Are you wanting to start a side hustle but don't want to devote countless hours every day? This is definitely could also be good for you. Do you cringe at the thought of being super salesy? I am by far. When I first got started, I didn't even like to be on camera personally. If you're new at starting a business, also not quite sure how to get started, this is also an excellent model because of the next one we're talking about. If you've ever failed at businesses or in business models in the past, both on or offline, then you're able to leverage established systems, and as well as there's communities that you can get help from people that are actually doing this and making money at and testing things that are working and not working. Who is affiliate marketing not for? Affiliate marketing will likely not work for you if you're expecting to sit back and this is not an automated software system. You are going to have to put work in. If you think this is a get-rich-quick scheme or an opportunity, definitely not for you. If you're wanting to spam your links or, not build a real established business and you just want to do that kind of stuff, probably this is not the business model for you. Also, if you're looking to rip people off as well, it's totally not for you. It's obviously, like I said, you're connecting with reputable businesses. And we're going to show this in, about affiliate marketing. Most people will think of Amazon, when they think of shopping online. Obviously, Amazon has got an affiliate marketing program. Another one is Target. I mean, my wife spends a ton of time at Target, but even Target has a affiliate program. I mean, and you can see right here on this one is you can earn up to 8% promoting your favorite things at Target. I mean, that's not bad. But how does it work? And that's probably the biggest question I get from people over and over and over. Basically, affiliate sales are tracked with a unique link that they give you. Okay? So the idea is you find a good product, something that's selling. Okay? You sign up for their affiliate program. They're going to give you a unique ID, and then each product typically will have a specific link to it that you can copy and get your ID. You create some content that's recommended for the product, or something that recommends the product itself. I mean, because some affiliate programs will give you some pre-designed content that you can help produce to even sell their products. I recommend you create your own content personally. Obviously, potential customers interested, they click the link, they go to the product, they buy the product, and then obviously if they even don't buy that product, a lot of times like on Amazon and Target, within a certain window, depending on your contract with the affiliate program, anything else that they buy. How do you get somebody to click your link? Obviously, that's the next step we're going to talk about. There are two schools of thought on this. Okay. I personally do the second one, but you can run ads. Okay. And then, or you can create content, which is free on social media. And that is the best way to get people to click your link. You can start with Amazon, obviously. Physical products are easy to understand, but there are issues. First, if you like this model, by all means, it works. Why don't I use this as my main model for affiliate marketing? Well, physical products need to get, actual product to create engagement. Basically, if you want to create an engaging video or like a box opening and stuff like that of the product, or a review video, you're going to have to wait for the product because you're going to have to buy it, order it, test it out, stuff like that. That takes time. It's harder to target the ideal customer too with physical products, because physical products can have such a wide spectrum of people who are going to be interested in them. So because of the fact that your ideal customer with a physical product is so broad, typically you're going to have to cast a really big net hoping that you'll catch somebody. Okay? And that strategy really relies on going viral with viral videos. And most social media platforms, it's very difficult to go viral on these days. I mean, for a little while there, TikTok was great, but even TikTok has cranked things back a little bit more now that they've launched their new marketing system on their own, because obviously they want you to pay for their ads. So now they've kind of changed the algorithm, so it's a little bit more difficult to go viral than it was before. Still not impossible, but they did make it more difficult than it was in the beginning. One more thing. Obviously, just going to kind of go over here and talk about Amazon. Look at the commissions on this thing. You look at some of the things you're going to make. Is if you're doing Amazon games, yes, you can make 20%. But the most things you're going to be selling, whether it be books, cooking, kitchen apparel, your electronics, you're only going to make 4, maybe 5% max. PC is only at 2. A television, something, a high ticket item, you're only going to make 2% on. Physical video games and video game systems, you only make 1% on. So if you thought you were going to market like a PS5 or something like that, you're not going to make a lot of money, because do the math. 100 buyers, if they buy something for $35, at 3% commission on average, we're just going to give you that one. You're going to make $105. That means you're going to have to go out and find 100 people to buy that $35 ticket item to make $105. That's a lot of work. And here's an example of just a free offer of one of the things that I offer. Okay, this is a free, it's called we're going to talk a little bit more about this, but it's a free book. Obviously, they pay for shipping. This is potential, just one customer off a free plus shipping offer, I make $1 for the book. The potential to make $264 though, off of one customer. So let's go ahead and look at and here's an example of one. Obviously it works. This is one customer that went through that funnel. They took the secret book, I made the $1. They ended up getting the lifetime membership to Funnelytics. for $125 commission. All right, so I made $126 off of that customer. Let's do the math on that one. So that's basic. Obviously, I could make more than that, but that's kind of the middle of the road. If I only get 10 buyers in a month at 126, that's $1,260. The best part, high ticket is not any harder to do than low ticket. Creating the content is the same. Okay, and that's all you're doing is creating content. So getting the buyers is not any different. You know, if you choose the right programs, obviously, because I mean, some programs, you got to find a program that's going to work and that has a good value ladder. And we're going to talk a little bit about this, because the value ladder basically is you have the bait down there, and that was the free plus shipping book. If you notice, they had a front offer, then a middle offer, then a back offer, and then they have bigger things on the back end that they market. And the nice thing about good high ticket affiliate programs is once the customer enters their value ladder, they attribute that customer to you for the life of the customer, which is kind of nice. As the company markets them through the bait, front, middle, and back, that's going to be typically what they're first exposed to. Everything beyond that is exposed to them via the email list, and the affiliate partner that you're working with that's paying you commission is going to make those sales. You know, not you. You know, you just got them to initially get in there and opt to the bait. So like this one, so that I get them to click on there for their free book. Then they get offered the audio version of the book, because some people like the audio version. I mean, don't be wrong, some people don't like reading a hard copy book. They have the option for that. If they select the $37 for that, the commission is $14.80. Then they also offer a 2-day event. It's a video event where he walks them through the information in the book for another $97. Then there's an opportunity for me to make a $38 commission on that one there. Or if they want to, maybe they're not really care about the event, but they want to get all the books that he offers plus a workbook in a full set for $97. Like I said, the other customer, like I said, the Funnelytics, if there's somebody who's doing marketing and typically wanting this product in the first place, because this is not the main product I focus on, but this is what we call a companion product, and we can talk about that later, in another video. But obviously, just wanted to give you an idea of how the value ladder works on this. So you can see it totally works. The question is how to get started, right? So you have really two choices. The first choice is, you can go out there and do it on your own. It's quite possible. You might make it work, if you took really good notes. But most of the time you're going to run around in circles, watching a bunch of videos on YouTube, trying to learn as much as you can. You're probably going to risk thousands of dollars on trial and error. Okay? Because most of us have done some of that in the past. You're going to waste a bunch of time. And obviously, time is one of the things that you're probably lacking right now, is because you already work a job. And then most of the ideas that you're going to try are outdated ideas and they barely work anymore. The second choice, which I think is the intelligent one, is you need to not think about reinventing the wheel. Don't reinvent things. Follow a proven path that's tried, tested, and documented. Promote proven products that are making money. I mean, do a little bit of your research and find out. Typically, you can go on most social media and just run searches and see which products are the buzz. If they're the buzz, a lot of people think that just because the product's a buzz, that's actually, they think, oh, it's saturated, I can't get in that. Really what they're seeing is a product being, and the customer being educated at scale, which means that the reason why the buzz is there is because everybody's searching for it. So it's not that everybody's just talking about it. The reason why the videos show up is because people are looking for that. Obviously, follow tested and proven successful strategies. So not only do you find a product, then you want to find somebody who's effectively marketing that product and follow the strategies that they're doing. Because why do what doesn't work when you could do what works? I mean, and I'm not saying straight out go out and copy them, but be honest with you. There's no such thing as a new, fresh idea. We are recycling ideas that have been used time and time again. Believe me, I've been in this business for a long time, for 30 years. Like I said, I got my start out in direct response marketing. And in direct response marketing, a lot of the techniques that we use today in affiliate marketing was exactly the same techniques that we were using back then. The difference was we didn't have social media. So obviously get personal help. That's a huge important thing. Having a community of experts that are using testing, growing together, collectively they've made millions doing this together. Everybody's testing something different at scale, and you're coming back and communicating what's working and what's not working. You have the ability to ask those questions so you don't have to spend money on something that's really not working. All right, listen. Be honest with you. Either strategy will work. Be honest with you. I still have an affiliate relationship with Amazon. It's just not something that I focus a lot of my attention on. I keep it around for books when I'm referring books and stuff like that I've read to people. Might as well make a commission on them. It's not something I focus on, because it's not looking, I'd rather make a buck here and a buck there than, make nothing. But honestly, I don't really even care if they do it. I just keep it open, so I make affiliate commissions for that. Or, like the mic I'm using, people ask me about that, the camera I use, stuff like that. I do have affiliate marketing, but it does work and you can use it. I just don't focus a lot of attention on it. Or you can take the high affiliate marketing route like I have and earn bigger commissions. And be honest with you, you don't need to depend on going viral. It doesn't take as many people to make the same kind of money. And with high ticket affiliate marketing, you're able to systematize and spend less time. You don't have fewer people. So obviously you're not having, and regardless of what you choose, really, the first step is just getting in and starting to get some education, or basically starting. I'll tell you what, get the link below, watch another free video, see even more proof that high ticket affiliate marketing is the best choice for you. You don't need to run around slinging makeup, cameras, weight loss supplements, or some other low commission item. You don't have to be chasing your friends and family around on Facebook. Build a real sustainable business promoting high ticket, digital, and software as service products. Okay? There's big profits to be made. It's easy. It's faster. And honestly, it's easy, so you can scale and systemize, because the problem with the low ticket issue is it is more difficult to do that. Just to give you an idea, this is the power is in the knowledge. This is one of the programs that I promote up front. It's Legendary Marketer. It's the 15-day challenge. Just get an idea of, it's 15 days. There's personal help that you can call and talk with a business advisor. We talked about following a proven system. They're giving you scripts and templates to use that have been proven to work. So if by now you still don't know what to do, you can start down below the other link. I do have a free course that you can go ahead and get started with, and you can begin to earn while you learn.